Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your bank details in Deliveroo. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Deliveroo support and then scroll down until you see how do I contact rider support and then press and then input bank details in the search query here, and then how do I change my bank details, you press on it. And now, how do I change my bank details? If you'd like to update your bank details, please fill in the form, providing us with your full name, rider ID, email address associated with your rider account. Remember that the bank account associated with your rider account should be in your name as the account holder and not anyone else's bank details. You are responsible for paying any substitute you appoint fairly for any services they perform, ensuring you are complying with clause 111.1 of your supplier agreement. Please use this form to change your bank details. You can press on here the hyperlinks. You press on them, it will take you to the form that you will need to input. Would you like to update your bank details? You press on yes, and then you continue. You enter your first name and last name and then enter your rider ID and the mail address associated with your rider account, and then you will input the new email, the new bank details, and then you submit the form. They will process the request and then they will respond in 5 to 7 days and they will update your bank details, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.